Hey guys, I'm going to show you what I used in the tutorial to style my hair and to hold it back. So the first thing I used was this hair clip. It's a butterfly clip. And I love it because it holds back all my thick hair. So I use that to pull it all back. This texture spray is by Unite, and I think it's the best texture spray I've ever used in my entire life. So I use that. And then the last one is my curling iron turned into a wand. I had two of these at the salon, and because I'm too cheap to go out and buy a normal wand, I actually took the clamp off so you can see like the hooks right there and right there. And it's a 3/4 inch barrel, so I used that, and yeah, so this is what I use instead of a normal wand, but I mean it works the same. So yes, those are my three things. Oh, and a hairbrush, but that's downstairs right now. So yeah. All right, let's get started. You're going to want to section a little tiny piece just like this, and then clip the rest up. It's right here. Okay, so take your hair and the wand and take little tiny sections like this, and then wrap. And leave a little tiny bit of the ends out, because that's going to give it that like really texturized, messy, beachy wave look to it. So then just keep wrapping. Sections don't have to be perfect. I would say like 1-inch sections maybe. And that's all you're really going to need for this. You don't have to keep the hair in the curling iron that long. But yeah, the messier the better basically. So you'll take your hair, just kind of flip it either way, it doesn't really matter, and just brush all of the curls out. My hair's like breaking left and right, that's alright. And then find whatever part you want. And then you'll take your texture spray and just, if it was open, and then just kind of spray upwards towards your hair. You can make it as big as you want, or you want to wear it. And then you can just rouge up the ends like this and make it messy and huge if you want.